Hello, I'm Eddie Smith with Southern Gardening, and today we're right here at my home taking a look at a couple of my favorite early spring bloomers. One of the first plants I want to share with you is Temple Bells. This evergreen shrub produces large waterfall-like clusters of white bell-shaped flowers in late winter to early spring. These blooms hang gracefully beneath the foliage and last for weeks. The leaves are ovate in shape and emerge in beautiful red to bronze tones before maturing into rich dark green. That color transition gives you interest well beyond the bloom season. Temple Bells is a small to medium-sized evergreen shrub with a slow growth rate, making it easy to manage in the landscape. It's a member of the blueberry family and is one of the more shade-tolerant evergreen shrubs you'll ever find. While it's happy in morning sun, it performs beautifully in filtered shade and even does just fine in shade. Another early spring bloomer that I absolutely love is Jane Magnolia. This plant is a hybrid Japanese magnolia, bred as part of the Little Girl series. Jane Magnolia typically blooms a little later than saucer magnolias, which helps protect those gorgeous flowers from late frosts. The blooms are large and showy, with rich purple-pink outer petals and a soft white interior. As the flowers open, they create a stunning contrast against the bare branches, putting on a real springtime show. These are just a couple of plants that remind me of why early spring is such an exciting time in Southern Gardens. I'm Eddie Smith. I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.